Hey everyone, and welcome to another video in the Google Search Console series of 90-second knowledge. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and the alerts button too, so you get notified when we release new content that's going to help you build traffic and sales for your small business website. So today we're going to look at how to request indexing for a new web page or piece of content. Now, indexing is where you tell Google you've created some new content or a web page and tell them you want them to come and look at it and think about showing it to users in search results. Now, it's these little things that a lot of people forget to do. So if you do it, it might be that your competitors aren't, and you're going to get seen by Google more quickly and get more traffic and sales from Google search results. Want to know how to do it? Well, let's get 90 seconds on the clock and take a look. To get your content seen by Google as quickly as possible, you need to request indexing. All you need to do is go to the page in question and copy the website address. Go to Google Search Console, and in this search bar at the top it says inspect any URL. So let's go in there and paste in our URL. Hit return. Google will see if there's any data in its index and then it will show you the results. In this case, the URL already exists in Google, but if it didn't, then you can hit this button here, request indexing, and that will tell Google that this page exists and you want them to take a look at it. Now, it's not a guarantee that they'll index it or they'll do anything with it, but it's telling them that that page exists. And if you've just launched a really great piece of content, this is the best and quickest way to get it seen by Google as soon as possible, rather than waiting for them to find it by crawling your website or checking your XML sitemap. So there you go. That's how you tell Google that your new web pages and content exists and you want them to take a look at it and show it to users in search results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And join us again soon for more helpful hints and tips that are going to help you build traffic and sales through your small business website.